Hello everyone. So Level Up IS is organizing two webinars with two different rankers. So first webinar is on 25th of May at 5 p.m. with All India rank 107 Pranav Sharma. And the other webinar is just after the prelims on 27th of May at 5 p.m. with All India rank 3 Archit Dongre. Now these two webinars, both of them are going to be very useful for those who are going to be appearing for 2026 UPSC prelims exam. अब चाहे आप 2025 आपने अपीयर किया हो, अच्छा नहीं गया हो या फिर आपको कुछ अपनी स्ट्रैटेजीज में इंप्रूवमेंट करना हो, you should attend these webinars. The first webinar which I'm talking about with All India rank 107 Pranav Sharma, it is going to be very useful for those who are working और जिनके पास time crunch है, who can devote only 5 hours a day for studies because he cracked this exam while he was working. So of course he'll be telling you about how to manage the time properly and how to manage it wisely. Second webinar which is on 27th of May, Archit Dongre, he will be telling you an integrated strategy कि कैसे आपको prelims और mains को साथ साथ में prepare करना है. You should be mains ready before you're preparing for prelims. So he will be telling you what the topper's mindset is, कैसे चीज़ों को याद रखना है, कैसे सबके notes बनाने हैं. Both of the toppers will be talking about this. So this is going to be a good opportunity for everyone who wants to clear with this exam in first attempt or in one attempt only, not a 5-year plan. So prepare and you attend the webinar so that you get the most out of this. See you in the webinar. Thank you.